The Nebraska Supreme Court allows or orders election officials to let people with felony convictions vote. Thanks for joining us. I'm Julie Cornell.
I'm Rob McCartney. This past July, Nebraska Attorney General Mike Hilgers ruled that only the state's Board of Pardons could restore voting rights. That was just days before a law would have immediately restored voting rights to anyone with a felony conviction once their sentence was served.
Omaha's News Leader has team coverage tonight. Bill Shammert has the effort to help those people get registered.
First, Jessica Perez joins us as two former felons as they registered to vote today, who now have a chance to vote in the upcoming election. Jessica?
This afternoon, I waited with two people that finished their sentences here at the Elections Commission as they waited months to be allowed to register to vote, and that day has finally come. They tell me they felt a whole range of emotions today. We're in the line.
Okay.
We're waiting. How are you feeling right now?
Optimistic, very optimistic. A little nervous.
Anxiety kept building as TJ King stood in line, waiting to activate his voter registration for the first time since his release from prison.
I just checked my bag to make sure that I had my ID in there.
He's one of thousands of Nebraskans looking forward to this day. After months of waiting, the Nebraska Supreme Court ruled felons can register to vote after completing their sentence, in accordance with LB 20.
Democracy has prevailed, and people have saw that people that have been system impacted are able to have their rights restored, and that speaks a lot.
King tells me it meant everything to stand next to another person in a similar situation. Jason Codas spent 25 years in and out of facilities and will vote for the first time ever.
Wondering how I got here and if this is all kind of real. That's awesome.
Codas says he's excited and validated.
All the hard work's been done on my behalf. I think this is just my responsibility to go do this.
It was a surreal moment as King got his turn.
This is actually happening.
Receiving the approval paperwork, he says he felt his position in the community was solidified.
That feels like I'm getting some semblance of myself back.
Now King wants other system-impacted people to follow his lead.
Make your voice heard. Make this fight that we all just went through worth what we just did.
King and Codas tell me they both plan to vote on Election Day, November 5th. Now, felons that have completed their sentence, including probation, can register in person up until October 25th. Live in Omaha, Jessica Perez, KTV News Watch 7.